Right. Welcome back once again to Lytical Preps. Please, if today is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more exciting and tricky questions together. Thank you for doing that. So today we are looking at x minus 2 all into bracket square is equal to 81. In this case, we are solving for x. So I'm going to use the two methods to solve this particular question. So let's start with method 1. In method 1, let's solve. We have x minus 2 all squared is equal to, now x minus 2 all squared is equal to 81. With this 81, we can express it as 9 squared. Okay, so we have x minus 2 all squared is equal to 9 squared. Now, you can let 9 squared to come on the left hand side. So we are going to get x minus 2 all squared minus 9 squared is equal to 0. Okay, now we are having x squared minus 2 and then 9 squared minus 2. In algebra, we have expression for difference of 2 squared, which is a squared minus b squared. And this expression is expressed as a minus b brackets multiplied by a plus b, like this. Now, when we compare these two terms, you can see that our a is x minus 2, and then our b, this one, which is 9. Okay, so can we write our equation as x minus 2 then minus 9, which is our b. To write it x minus 2 plus 9, this one, bracket close, which is equal to 0. Okay, now x, we have x minus 9 minus 2 minus 9, we are getting minus 11. Then we have x minus 2 plus 9, we are getting plus 7, which is equal to 0 here. Now, you can see that x minus 11 is equal to 0, and then x plus 7 is equal to 0. So with here, you say that x is equal to 11. That's our x1. And then in here, you can say that x is equal to negative 7. That's our second answer. It's x2. So this is our method 1. Now let's solve this using pen method. So now our second method. So let's continue the second method. So our question, which is x minus 2 all squared, which is equal to 81. The second method, we have a minus b all squared. This is the same as a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Okay, now with this, let's express our left hand side to look like this. So our expression on the left hand side is going to be x squared. So our x is our a and the b is our 2. Okay, so we have x squared plus, okay, 2 squared minus 2 multiplied by x. Okay, it is minus 81, which is equal to 0. We have already made this one there. From here, we can express the terms. So we can get x squared plus 2 squared, we are getting 4, minus 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times x is 4x. minus 81 is equal to 0. Now, with this, we can get x squared negative 81 plus 4 minus 4x. So it's going to be negative 77, which is equal to 0. Okay. So now we are going to use the quadratic formula to solve from here. So our A, 1, B is negative 4, now C is negative 77. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So our x is equal to negative 4 plus or minus square root of our b is negative 4, so negative 4 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by negative 77 all on 2 multiplied by 1. Okay. So our x is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of, now with this we get 16 minus, so negative 4 times negative 77, we are getting 308. 308 times 1 is the same as 300 plus 308 all over 2. Okay. Now x is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of, now 116 plus 308, we are getting 324 all on 2. So our x is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 324 is 18 all over 2. Okay, so now our x is equal to, so 4 on 2 plus or minus 18 on 2. So in this case, 2 goes into itself, 1 goes here, 2 goes into itself, 1 goes here, 9. So we get x is equal to 2 plus or minus 9. So our x1 is equal to 2 plus 9, and our x2 is equal to 2 minus 9. So in this case, x1 is equal to 2 plus 9 is 11. And then x2 is equal to 2 minus 9 is negative 7. So this is our answer for the second method. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye-bye.